Times Now has travelled to Nainital's district Bhimtal area, right to ground zero where the forest fire is still emerging. In fact, Parvez will just show you this thick layer of smoke on the outside, but of course in the hill, right where we are standing, forest fire still emerging. In fact, a thick layer of smoke has engulfed the whole region, and of course there are the fire brigades have also come, even though there is about only 500 liters of water that they can perhaps use to douse the flames. Clearly the situation still very critical here. While the political blame game is on, these are the workers, the real workers who are trying their best to douse that flames. Of course we do have those fire brigade officials who are trying to assess the situation. The state police is also here, and they will now try and figure out if possible they can still douse these fires. So of course these exclusive visuals that are coming to you of forest fire raging, and Times Now reporting right where the situation is, and these are of course the state police officials who are trying to assess. It is a small fire brigade. Of course we had the choppers as well. सर थोड़ा सा हमको सिचुएशन बताइए, अभी भी तो इस तरफ आग है, कितना क्या आइडिया आप लेके चल रहे हैं?
अभी ये आग जो रोड के नीचे लगी है, ऊपर को इसको रोका जा रहा है ऊपर जाने के लिए, ऊपर नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं इसको ऊपर जाने के लिए।
अच्छा, आपने जो है सारा ट्रैफिक यहाँ पे ब्लॉक कर दिया है?
ट्रैफिक अपने आप रुका हुआ है, धुएं की वजह से रुका हुआ है।
तो लेकिन सर एक ही फायर ब्रिगेड है, इसमें तो 500 लीटर ज्यादा से ज्यादा होगा।
दूसरा फायर टेंडर आ रहा है, बड़ा वाला भी मंगाया गया है। बड़ा वाला भी मंगाया।
So clearly you can see that this is the Bhimtal area, and even the trees are catching fire. So of course here in this region, the mountains, the hills continue to be catching this fire we're talking about. In fact, while Parvez is showing you these shots of this thick layer of smoke that has completely engulfed the area, we are talking about 2,000 hectares at least of land which is devastated. We are talking about flora and fauna that is devastated. We are talking about political leaders who are still busy in a political blame game, while the hills of Uttarakhand continue to be engulfed in this massive thick layer of smoke, with forest fires only engulfing. While there are choppers trying to douse that fire, we also have these workers who are trying their best with minimal support, whatever infrastructure that they have, to try and at least minimize the fire till perhaps a chopper can come from the waters, from the Bhimtal lake, and perhaps douse it even more.
हम अभी 15 मेंबर लेके आए हैं अपने, और फायर को बुझाने के लिए हम लोगों को कोई स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग नहीं दी जाती, लेकिन वन विभाग के निर्देशन पर हमें जो कल 1-2 दिन की जो ट्रेनिंग मिली है, जंगली झाड़पात से अपनी झाप बना करके हम लोग उनकी मदद करते हैं और आग पर काबू पाते हैं।
सर जैसा हम देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे वो जो ब्रांचेस हैं वो कट कर रहे हैं, वो क्या
उसके लिए हमें ब्रांचेस कट करने के लिए हमें जैसे रोड है, रोड के ऊपर आग नहीं जाना है, तो जो रोड साइड में जो पत्तियां हैं उनको हम साफ करेंगे झाप के माध्यम से, या उससे हम झाड़ू से उसको साफ करेंगे ताकि वो आग ऊपर न जा सके।
On ground workers and then the choppers with these buckets, water buckets. You can see that chopper. We are giving you the visuals of the buckets and the water which is held in them, the water from the Bhimtal lake, about 3,000 liters, and clearly of course the chopper is going to use that very water and to throw it on those flames and smoke and try and douse the fire. We are giving you these very important visuals to show you very clearly how this fire is being doused by the effort of these choppers, and of course apart from the on-ground workers, the firefighters who are not able to reach. But clearly these are important visuals to show you how there is this two-pronged effort being made. These buckets which can hold a lot of in fact large amounts of water that are then being used to douse flames where the firefighters from on ground cannot reach. So getting you reports from all possible angles of firefighters on ground, of smoke. As you can see, the whole hill area here in Bhimtal's region completely engulfed in smoke. There are a lot of areas where, in fact, small pockets where the fire continues to engulf, primarily all possible efforts being made, while politicians on one had continued to bicker. The workers, the SDRF, NDRF, of course the Indian Air Force, and most importantly the villagers trying their best to douse the fire, while many of it, as you can see, the charred remains of these trees and much devastated flora and fauna, including 2,000 hectares at least of land.